Hello everyone, I'm Maria. Today I'll briefly show why Brazil's poultry industry is the global benchmark for quality, scale, and reliability, trusted by importers and food manufacturers worldwide. Brazil is firmly positioned among the world's top 3 chicken producers, alongside the United States and China. With annual production exceeding 14 million metric tons, the country has built a poultry sector that is not only large, but exceptionally stable. This scale is supported by a strong agricultural foundation, including abundant corn and soybean supplies, which ensure consistent feed availability and competitive production costs. The core of Brazil's chicken production is concentrated in the southern states of Paraná, Santa Catarina, and Rio Grande do Sul. These regions are known for advanced farming techniques, skilled labor, and close proximity to major export ports. What truly sets Brazil apart, however, is its integrated farming model. Poultry companies provide farmers with chicks, feed, veterinary services, and technical supervision, while farmers focus on daily care and biosecurity. This structure guarantees uniform bird genetics, controlled nutrition, predictable growth cycles, and consistent meat quality. Brazilian poultry companies operate fully integrated supply chains, from breeding and hatcheries all the way through slaughtering, processing, freezing, and export logistics. This end-to-end control minimizes risk, improves traceability, and allows Brazil to supply large volumes of chicken reliably throughout the year. For international buyers, this means dependable contracts, stable volumes, and fewer disruptions. Quality and food safety are at the center of Brazil's poultry success. The industry is regulated by the Brazilian Ministry of Agriculture through the Federal Inspection Service, which closely supervises slaughterhouses and export facilities. Processing plants operate under mandatory HACCP systems with continuous veterinary inspection and full farm-to-fork traceability. Brazilian poultry producers also comply with international standards such as ISO and BRC, and many facilities run dedicated halal production lines to serve Muslim-majority markets. Because of these high standards, Brazilian poultry plants are routinely audited and approved by authorities from the European Union, the Middle East, Japan, China, and African nations. These audits reinforce global confidence in Brazilian origin chicken as a safe, high-quality product. Brazil is currently the world's largest exporter of chicken meat, supplying more than 150 countries. Its success comes from the ability to adapt products to different cultural and regulatory requirements. The Middle East imports large volumes of halal whole chickens and cuts. Asia has strong demand for chicken feet, paws, wings, and deboned meat. Africa relies on frozen whole chickens and portions, while the European Union focuses on processed and value-added products. Brazil's logistics infrastructure supports efficient refrigerated container shipments worldwide, with air cargo available for urgent or premium deliveries. Brazilian chicken represents a powerful combination of scale, quality, and reliability. Supported by integrated production, strict food safety controls, and proven export expertise, it is an ideal solution for food manufacturers, distributors, and importers worldwide. Building on this strong national foundation, Adelita offers a complete range of premium Brazilian frozen chicken products for global markets. Our portfolio includes chicken paws and feet for Asian processing markets, uniform wings for retail and food service, juicy thighs, lean chicken breast for manufacturers, and whole chickens in both halal and non-halal formats. All products are IQF or block frozen, carefully packed, and maintained under strict cold chain control to ensure safety, freshness, and long shelf life. Our suppliers hold the necessary certifications, including GACC approval for export to China. Typical delivery times range from 40 to 45 days by sea. We support supply programs up to 500,000 metric tons per month in 20-foot containers, with minimums from 25,000 metric tons and flexible spot shipments. Thank you.